today I have visited park, and let us understand property crime today. Means what is property crime? I have explained property in my previous video, any intellectual or digital or physical property, and so I am going to say mostly about the physical property here. And first of all, let us understand the trespass to the property. What is trespass to the property? Trespass to the property is entering into the someone's property without their consent. Let's say there is a home and you have entered inside someone's home without their consent, then it is trespass to the property. And the second thing is second type of crime can be mischief, means taking someone's property, let's say watch or something, without their consent, and yeah, or with their consent you can also take the watch, but you have destroyed their watch without their consent. We have harmed their watch or something like that, means any property harm. It is called mischief. We have understood trespass, we have understood mischief. Then there is theft, which taking someone's property without their consent, like someone snatches my phone without my consent, this is theft. Then we have to understand, let's enter inside it. And and theft is something you have taken someone's property without their consent. Robbery is something one has taken property without someone's consent, but also used force, means having a gun or weapon and taking away my phone that I am holding here. That would be a robbery of mine. And it is also it is related to loot as well as extortion. Means there is also something known as legal extortion, means using law to take away someone's property. It happens, government also uses law to take away property. Happened in the Hitlerist era, or sometimes emergency era, or some mistaking law to take away someone's property, any land or something like that. This is also an extortion or robbery or loot, you can say. And but robbery generally is kind of different. And fourth type of crime is fraud, where once uses manipulation to take away someone's property. Manipulation, derogatory manipulation. Even the seduction is one kind of manipulation, which is called sextortion, means using love or sex as a tool to take away someone's property or money, something like that. Happens every day. You can see there are cases where someone has uses lured him through sex or love, and then taken away uh, millions of rupees from him. And it happens quite common in India. You can find many, just a Google search will gonna give you many results. I have also seen that kind of thing. Therefore, understanding these terms, understanding the crime will gonna help you to prevent, means not becoming a victim of crime, as our Indian laws are not in good shape to protect us from the all type of property crimes, or even they do not give money to rehabilitate the victims of property crimes. Here we have generally discussed the physical property crimes, which are, but after we will also gonna discuss intellectual property crimes and digital property crimes in the next session.